Hello, my name is Sky from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. We are delighted to bring you this Jaguar F-PACE P250i R-Dynamic Black Auto, powered by a 2-litre petrol engine with Jaguar's all-wheel drive system, improving driving performance all year round, and coming in the outstanding HSE model, giving you an exciting list of specification. The gorgeous Carpathian grey paint is enhanced by the R-Dynamic Black Pack, privacy glass adding to the look of the car as well as the security, and the 21-inch satin dark grey with contrast diamond tone finish alloys, finishing off the exterior perfectly. This Jaguar comes with a list of specification adding to the safety and convenience of every drive, including the LED headlights with signature daytime running lights ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times, as well as the upgraded Secure Tracker Pro, the keyless entry, and to the rear of the car we have the powered tailgate opening up to give you this spacious boot, perfect for shopping and luggage, and coming with the Jaguar boot liner. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests, a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. The interior of this car truly does not disappoint with the light oyster perforated leather performance seats, pairing beautifully with the ebony suede cloth headlining and the fixed panoramic sunroof brightening up the cabin of the car. Adding to the comfort and luxury of every drive, we have the upgraded 14-way heated and cooled electrically adjustable memory front seats. On the dash we have the stunning light oyster and ebony leather steering wheel, coming with paddle shift, improving the performance of every drive, alongside the configurable dynamics and adaptive dynamics. The steering wheel is also heated, making the cold winter mornings a little bit better, as well as being multi-function, helping you safely and easily control the adaptive cruise control, as well as the interactive driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral, helping create a safer journey. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the impressive 11.4-inch touchscreen. This features the likes of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, so you can always listen to your favourite playlist. We also have satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, and it displays the rear view parking camera, alleviating all of your parking worries alongside the front and rear parking sensors. We have the 3-way heated and cooled seats controls for both of the front seats, and just below we have the dual zone climate controls, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable in this forever changing British weather. Moving on, we have the stop start go button as well as the electronic parking brake, the cup holders which can be hidden when you're not using them, keeping the car looking sleek and stylish, and the USB ports just underneath the armrest. This car comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.